How to contact customer support on Kick. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can contact customer support on Kick. So how do you contact customer support on Kick? First of all, log in into your Kick account, just like I've done here. Then after that, move to the top right corner, click on your profile picture. Then on the profiles page, go scroll down to the last part of the page and select help and about us. It is the last option on the page. So on the help and about us page, you can see quite a number of options. So select the help option and then you'll be redirected to your browser. Ensure you select the browser that you want to use to open the help page, and then you wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be brought to your help page. On this page, you can see the question, how can we help? Here you would see different topics based on frequently asked questions that people have asked in the past, and you'll see articles that have addressed those questions. So you can just decide to go through or search for the issues that might be bothering you. You can just click on the search icon here to do that. Okay. So once you can do that, you'll find answers to your questions in the article. But then if you cannot find answers to your question in the article, under each article, you always see an option for contact us. For example, if you have further options, you'll see an option for you. For if you have further concerns, you'll see an option on the page for you to contact the customer support directly. And once you do that, you would be once you do that, you would receive answers. So for example, I clicked on the article that addressed the change your password question. So now after reading through, I did not understand. So by scrolling down to the last part, you can see the option have more questions, submit a request. So you can just go ahead to submit a request directly to customer support in case you could not get an answer from the article. So by clicking on submit a request, you will be brought to the next page. So on this page, you have to choose the category you fall under, ensure you fill in all of the requirements and all, and the response will be sent to you via the email that you use to register on your Kick account. So that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.